Buongiorno, ciao a tutti, I'm Aaron here at 99 Problemi. I have another lesson for you on Questo and Quello this night. And these are demonstrative adjectives. They mean this and that, respectively. And they're very useful words that come up pretty early in your Italian education. At the end, I'll have exercises to show that you understand how to use them. So let's get started. So what do they mean? I just told you that questo means this. Is used to refer to objects that are nearby, like questa penna would be a pen that's sitting close to you. Quello is that, and it's used to refer to objects that are far away. Quella penna would be an example, that pen. So it could be a pen that's on the other side of the room. It could also be a pen that's kind of nearby, but with respect to another pen, it's like not this one, but it's that one. It's a little bit further away. So, how do you use questo? Questo is formed like adjectives that end in O, so actually not too difficult if you're familiar with that. It's going to agree with the noun it modifies in gender and number. Here's a nice table that'll sort of outline this. So you have the masculine singular questo, like questo ragazzo, this boy, which would become plural by becoming questi ragazzi, these boys. There's also questa, which is the feminine singular, questa ragazza, and the feminine plural would be queste ragazze. Okay, pretty simple the way all the endings just line up nicely there. Questo O and ragazzo, questi with ragazzi is nice. The only exception here is when you have a singular noun that begins with a vowel, and then in that case you use quest with an apostrophe, like quest'amica. Okay. Quello is not as straightforward, but if you know how to properly use your definite articles, that is what quello is determined by. So take for example, if you're using the masculine singular article that goes before a consonant, that would be il. Well, you see the form there is quel, like quel ragazzo, that boy. Notice that the I drops off on that form and you use the QUE in front of that. That becomes plural by turning into I, just like with a definite article. You get quei ragazzi, those boys. So masculine plural before a consonant is quei. And then there's the lo, which is actually the quello form. You'll realize soon those aren't used as often as they're one of the less common used forms, I'd say, as compared to, say, il ragazzo or quello ragazzo. But at any rate, the quello there will come up before, S plus consonant, Z, and a bunch of other sort of less common words like lo yogurt, so quello yogurt. In front of a vowel with words that are masculine, like animale, you're going to use quel, apostrophe, with a double L. And both of those will become quegli. So quegli studenti e quegli animali. The feminine forms are a little bit easier to form. So feminine singular la, like quella ragazza, or quell'occasione, in this case with the L apostrophe. That goes before a vowel. So both of those become plural by just going to quelle. But you can see, if you look at these tables, you can see how nicely you just add the QUEL in front of what would be the definite article. And it's actually quite nice and quite elegant the way it comes together. Okay, so let's try some of these out here. So you're going to write both the form of questo and quello that go before the given noun. So if it's pollo, we have a masculine singular consonant word, so keep all that in mind. It would be questo pollo or quel pollo, this or that chicken. So why don't you pause it here and work these out on scrap paper, and I will be back to let you know what the answers are. Okay, number 2, pesce, fish. So that is also questo, pesce, this fish, quel pesce, that fish. Studente is one S plus consonant masculine, that is questo and quello. Festa is feminine singular, that's questa and quella festa, this and that party. Albero starts with a vowel, it's masculine singular, that's quest. So it's the one exception there from that main table of verbs, so quest and quel. Because you would use L apostrophe, you just attach the quel in front of the L apostrophe, and you've got quell'albero, this or that tree. Penne, we have queste penne and quelle penne, so these pens and those pens. Studentessa is number 7, that is questa studentessa and quella studentessa. Number 8, lezione, these are queste lezioni, quelle lezioni, these are these lessons and those lessons, feminine plural. Pittori, this is masculine plural, so you have questi pittori and quei pittori. Università, although it could be plural, I've indicated that it is singular, so it is quest'università and quell'università. 11, sport, I said it's the plural even though it won't indicate it because it's an English imported foreign word here, so it's going to be masculine and unchangeable in the plural, so questi sport and quei sport. Pagina, this page, questa pagina and quella pagina. Città, another invariable noun, but I've indicated it's singular, so this, questa città, this city, and quella città. Bar, this is the plural form I've indicated, questi bar and quei bar. Ragazza is questa ragazza, quella ragazza. This and that girl. Edificio is quest'edificio, quell'edificio. 17, amiche is queste amiche, quelle amiche. 18, libri, questi libri, quei libri. 19, ragazzo is questo ragazzo and quel ragazzo. And then 20 is feminine singular, that is la classe, questa classe, quella classe. Okay, and that is all for that lesson. Grazie mille. If you'd like to follow me on Facebook and Twitter, it's at 99problemi. And you can also check out the videos on YouTube and subscribe. And there's also the website, 99problemi.com. Okay, that's all. Grazie mille. Ciao.